Hello and welcome. This is Todd Waterman, Pre-Sales Solution Engineer with Velocio. Today we're going to go over SilverLeaf production execution. So we've already created our production orders and that with a demand forecast. We're at the point now where we need to, actually execute this. And I really like showing this because it's very, very simple, which is really what we're after, is to make it really simple for the end user. So first I'm just going to go to see what my production orders are. And I'm also going to filter for my main location because that's where I'm at right now. That's the only location I'm really concerned with. And you can see each row here is a separate production order, right? Here's some Super Tuna Vista Snowdrift 4.5 inch. We're growing for 2,000, and so on. So how do we register or, do the steps for these? Well, we do that with the output journal. So technically we could go into each one of these production orders and post our output, post that we stuck it, post that we spaced it, post that it's finished, things like that. But then we'd have to go one order at a time. So what we have is what's called the output journal. So we're going to go here to the output journal. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate the lines here from production orders. Okay. I'm also going to add a quick filter for my location because I only really care about my main location. So I'll choose main in here. And I'm just going to leave it open. Now, under Work Center here, those are really the steps that would be like transplant. If all of I wanted to see is all the transplants that need to be done, all the spacing that needs to be done, I can filter right here. But for this example, I'm going to just leave it so you can see everything. And so what this did is pull all the different steps or grow times that from the actual setup of these production orders. So you can see right on the first line here, starting on 412 here, we have to transplant. Then the next step on 510, we would space it, and it should be finished on 524, right? So let's say I'm just concerned with transplanting. I can filter any of these and say, I just want to see what's transplanting. And this, I only planned 1 week, so it's all the same date. And you can see what this is doing. Actually, I filtered for the wrong thing here. Let me just fix that. I'm supposed to be filtering for transplant. There we go. Now it already has the output quantity of what it's supposed to be, what we planned. We know that that could probably be different, so you can go down and change that. Maybe say you got 1,800 that you planted, and we can put scrap in here too and say we had 200 of scrap. We also can say where we're putting it, right? I'm going to say it's in our field 1 or house 1 F2 section, so to speak. So pretty cool tool. There's no work orders to create or anything. This can actually be your to-do list, so to speak. You filter for what day of the week that what needs to be done. Also what activity, like transplanting here. You put in your numbers, scrap if there's any, also your location, and then you post. So for fun, I'm just gonna put the same bin here, which is our location where everything's gonna go. We'll quickly go down the list here. And then I'm just gonna post. And now what it's gonna do is post that we started all of these crops. All right. That's a little bit about production planning. Remember, you can filter by activity and all that, no work orders to be created. You go to the list, filter for the date and the step of the growing process, and post away. Thank you very much.